Finally got this monster, this 46-pound monster, the Bic PL-200 version 2 of their acoustic platinum line, Bic America. Just came out this box right here, and I must say the packaging has been pretty good. Pretty firm. I'm no concerns about the item, this subwoofer, and as you can see, the glossy top, speaker cord, get some focus right there, and you can see how beautiful the gloss top is, a signature of the Bic Acoustic line gloss finish. Here, as I remove this, it's pretty firm right here. This should last some time, we'll see. Put that over there, and the signature copper speaker cover, speaker cone, flared ports right here, 2 flared ports. They say this will allow for more even and deeper bass and less distortion. I guess I'm gonna find that out, but as you can hear, very stiff cone material and very thick rubber for Excursion. I believe this is butyl, some form of synthetic material. Cabinet sounds pretty okay. And let me swing this around, give you an idea of what the back looks like. Okay. Okay. And here we go. Let me catch some focus. Alright. Here are regular inputs for speakers if you want to use a subwoofer as your power source for your speakers. Volume crossover, sub input for your receiver, of course, where the power cable goes, and it says, as you can see, Bash. We're famous for pretty powerful and accurate drivers. Still got some foam material on here, but the back looks pretty good as I wrap it. As you can see, PL-200 version 2, just to make sure. There you go again. Version 2, hot off the press. The real deal. And that's about it. Looking from the sides. Now, if you're wondering what will it be replacing, it's going to be replaced. Look at the difference. This is the PL-200 Series 2. And this is my Acoustic Research 8-inch. And this is what it's going to be replacing. This has served me well. With the front slap ports at the front and back. Awesome musical subwoofer. So I hope that these PL-2000s will meet all my needs from music to home theater. And so far, if I were to go by the original model, I guess I should be having years of enjoyment. So let's see. I'll be doing a demo. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. This is my first video. I'd appreciate that. And subscribe. And who knows what will pop up next on my YouTube channel. I'm Cassius saying, stay tuned for a demo of the Bic America PL-200 version 2.